Okay, thank you. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be reading Colleen Hoover books to see if she is worth the hype. I'm going to be starting with It Ends With Us. Given what I've heard about this book, I know nothing about it, so that's basically all I got for this one. I'm going to be reading all day today. I'm going to take a walk and listen to the audiobook to kind of get me ahead. I'm so sorry. It's so loud where I live. The birds are right outside my window. That's the only physical Colleen Hoover book that I have. So the other ones I'm going to be reading on my Kindle. And hopefully I get the full effect from my Kindle because I still struggle with not enjoying it as much as a physical book. But anyways, those are my plans for today. Without prolonging this any longer, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Hello, it's the next day. I'm just here to update you on how I did with It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. And yesterday I read all day and I ended up finishing it in one sitting with my best friend who also read it, and we talked about it the whole time. It was really good. It was really fun. I have a lot of thoughts on this one. I feel like I should wait until the end of this vlog to kind of put those thoughts out there. Just know that I rated it a 3 out of 5. I enjoyed it for what it was, but I felt like there was a lot of flaws in this book. So far what I'm trying to say is the hype is not here for me. I still have 2 more to go, so we shall see when I finish those 2. So far, it's not looking too good. My plans today are, let's see, what am I gonna do today? I think I'm gonna take a walk like I said I was gonna do yesterday, but yesterday I literally sat in my room and read the whole day. So I got nothing done except for reading. But today I think I'm gonna try to go out because I was so shut in yesterday. I was getting a little stir crazy. So I'm gonna try and get out, maybe go for a walk with my dog and listen to either Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover or All Your Perfects by Colleen Hoover. I'm still not sure which 2 I'm gonna read because I don't know. I'm either thinking about doing Verity, Ugly Love, or All Your Perfects. It's up in the air. I'll let you know which one I start. So yeah, those are my plans for today. I will update you later on which one I chose and how far I got. So yeah, see you later.
How very short is life, old King Henry tells his wife, I do love you, but the odds are not with me. Evens win the game, and she hangs her head in shame. So anything to serve my king and country.
Hello and good morning, everyone. It is now the next day that I'm talking to you. I did eventually go on a walk yesterday, but I completely forgot to film it, so did it really happen? Who knows? So today I'm gonna go on another walk and definitely film that. I'm gonna have to go to the store to get a new harness for my dog because I lost hers and I just don't feel okay with jerking her neck everywhere. And then I have to go to the library to get a bunch of books for buddy reads. So yeah, those are my plans for today. I have read a little bit of Colleen Hoover's, which one is it called? I've read a little bit of both, but I started All Your Perfects and I've gotten a little bit into that one. It's going okay, I guess, and I started Ugly Love, and that one is not going so well, but I'm gonna try and push through both of them. I only have, I think, about 3 hours left in All Your Perfects, and then I'm literally barely into Ugly Love. So yeah, I will update you when I have more to talk about, I guess. I am going to take you along to the store. I'm going to take you along with me to the library, so buckle up.
I never meant to say I love you. I never meant to lead you on. But sometimes pride can get the best of me and drag the rest of me along.
Okay, so funny story. The library had nothing. They had nothing that I needed. So I am empty-handed, and I thought I was gonna do a library book haul for you guys, but now I have nothing, and I'm very disappointed. They literally had nothing, and they don't have anything on Libby, so now I guess I have to buy them, which isn't anything that I wanted to do because I need to stop buying books. I'm actually on a book buying ban, so I shouldn't be buying anything, but unfortunately when it comes to buddy reads, I like to have them so I can read along with everyone, and if I don't have them, then I feel left out. So I don't know what to do. I guess we should just go see how much they are on Amazon. That's the only thing to do, right? Anyways, I will update you after my walk later, I guess. We'll see how far I got in All Your Perfects, and then I'll try to get back into Ugly Love, so.
I never meant to say I love you. I never meant.
Okay. I really appreciate it. Okay. Thanks. Hello, it's been a few days since I last updated you on how I'm doing with the Colleen Hoover books. I ended up DNFing one of them, but I did finish two of them. I first read, as you know, It Ends With Us, and this one I ended up rating like a 2.75 out of 5, and I just feel like it could have been executed better. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but I just don't understand what she was going with this book. I feel that this book could have, of course, been executed better, but I also feel like it could have, what is the word that I'm looking for? I feel like it could have gone in a different way. I feel like she could have done this in a completely different way, and it would have worked great for me anyways, because a lot of people love this book, so I'm just one of the few that don't care for this one that much. So with that being said, I feel like this book could have been executed better, and that is my biggest problem. I hated how it ended. I hated the relationships in this and how they were formed, and that we were supposed to, I guess, like the relationship that was happening and like want it from the beginning. And I thought it wasn't good at all from the beginning. I mean, I was seeing red flags from the start, and I guess we were supposed to be like surprised. I don't know. That could be a minor spoiler. Anyways, I just feel like things could have been done differently and it could have been better. I appreciated one conversation she did have with her mother. I thought that that was done great. I loved everything that was said there, and it gave me chills when I read it. But everything else, it just felt mediocre to me and not, like, it didn't make sense. And that's all I'm gonna say for that one. If you don't know what it's about, I don't know how to talk about it without spoiling it, so let me read this. So basically it says, sometimes the one who loves you is the one who hurts you the most. And that is basically it. Her parents were in a horrible relationship as she grew up, so she doesn't really have anything to base love off of. So I guess that's kind of her issue there. And I loved the journal entries that were in it. I thought those were the best parts of the book. And then there wasn't that many of them, so then I got disinterested immediately. I did end up finishing this one in a day because me and my best friend promised each other that we would finish it before February was over, so we just went with it and we flew through it in a day. Actually, we did not fly through it. It took us hours to get done because we were both just like, what is going on? What is going on here? Why? Yeah, that's basically my feelings, is why. The next book I started was the last two, actually, and it was All Your Perfects and Ugly Love. And I ended up finishing All Your Perfects, and I could not stand that book at all. Another one was why. It infuriated me while I was reading it. I wasn't interested, but I did end up finishing it pretty fast, so I guess that's something for it. It's about a woman who struggles with infertility, and her husband are having issues because of that. And I cannot stand, as I've previously said, miscommunication, and that was all that was developed in this book. It was just, they just didn't talk, and I could not stand it. Like, you're married to each other, why are you not talking? That's all I got for that one, I think. I didn't really care for the relationship at all. I didn't care for the main character. And I've said this already. I think I talked about the thing where she said that we were only made to have children and that's it. I didn't like that because not everyone wants kids, and that's fine. Yeah, I also rated that one like a 2. Last one, Ugly Love, I started it and I hated it from the beginning and I had to DNF it. So with that being said, I think that I am just not a Coho fan. I thought that I didn't think that I'd dislike her books this much. I thought I'd be at least like, they're okay kind of thing. Okay. I'm sorry, Harper is just running around. So it kind of ended up being a bummer. I'm sorry if you can hear those birds. I just feel like all of her books are very similar, as in the main character is a woe is me kind of person, and they all have like awful issues going on, and I don't know, I don't like a character that is kind of like a feel bad for me kind of person. I don't know. It feels so mean to say because everyone loves her books so much, so I'm literally one of the few that don't like her books, and I'm saying awful things about them. I think the writing was okay. I just genuinely don't think that she is for me, and that is okay because not everyone is for everyone, and maybe I'm not alone in this, but I don't think that I will be picking up another Colleen Hoover book. And this started out years ago when I first read her book, Slammed, and I did not like that one either. Felt very similar to all the others. I feel like there's not much depth to her characters. I feel like they're all the same. They're in different situations, but they're all the same people. And that is not it for me. Like, I felt like I was reading the same characters in a different book. So I think that is it for this vlog. I'm sorry for anyone that I have upset who is a huge fan of Colleen Hoover. I support you in your love of her if you do love her, or if you don't love her like I do. She's probably a great person. If I ever decide to pick up another Colleen Hoover book, it will be the sequel to It Ends With Us. Only because it says it begins with us, and I actually liked the character that it did begin with, and so I wouldn't mind seeing where that goes and what it's all about. I think that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. If you like these types of videos from me, please let me know. If you like more sit-down videos, please let me know. I appreciate everything, all the love and support. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.